ఎస్ఆర్ఐ టెక్ ఆయనకి ఒక కంపెనీ మాత్రమే కాదు, ఇది ఆయన కళ, ఆశయం, జీవితం. 5 నుంచి 6 ఎంప్లాయీస్తో మొదలైన ఈ ప్రయాణం ఈరోజు 100కు పైగా ఎంప్లాయీస్తో ఇలా 10వ యానివర్సరీ జరుపుకుంటున్నాం.
Whenever Haribabu stepped into son-in-law, the entire status of my family changed. He is the game changer of my family.
This is a really big moment for my dad and my whole family. He spends more time in the office than he does with me and my brother and my mom at home. So congrats, you have my dad. And yeah, thank you so much.
This is not a one-person effort. This is the team effort. Every person played a vital role to bring up to this kind of success, especially my senior people.
Tech anedi, it's like my baby. You are all my daughters and my sons.